Guys, I open an event viewer. This is the event viewer. So here it is, different type of events are, you can see, critical, error, warning, information, audit success kind of stuff. If you go to Windows logs, you can see different type of events type. It is, see, application, security, setup, system, forward events. So each one having something like information, error, okay, audit success, audit failure kind of stuff. So if you open anything like a error warning is happened, it is like, see, Lenovo Vantage service is terminated unexpectedly. It is not terminated unexpectedly. I terminated manually. Okay, it has done this for times. Okay, so like that. So it is throwing an error because of I removed it. Why? Because it's consuming more resources. Okay, so here it is warnings. You can see the warning. The speed of the processor T in the group 0 is being limited by system firmware. Process has been its reduced performance state for 1421 seconds for since the last report. Okay, so there is some other errors. Windows search service failed to start due to the following error. Service did not respond to the start or a control request in a timely fashion. Okay, so guys, application is belongs to application access, open kind of stuff in the PC. Application including all the applications kind of stuff. Okay, including see VL report attempt failed to VL after, so it is means licensing attempt is same error only. Okay, so these are all application related informations, access information, open related kind of stuff, including your updates, system applications, like a notepad, wordpad, like everything is application. Security is belongs to login, logout, remote access related information in the security. Setup is again both installation, not installation, updates. Okay, this is a thing. Okay, you can see package successfully installed state. System means your physical machine related drivers, functionality of your machines, services related, like a mostly kernel related, hardware based process, disk based process, disk partitioning related, okay, network related. So everything we stores in the system. So this is the event viewer. To how to open, you just open the event viewer, go to Windows log, application, security, setup and system. These are the important things about a single system, that is event viewer. But as I say, monitoring means not for a single system, right? So everything, it will collect the data from each and every PC and process it and display on the screen. Okay, so that is event. Next. So I'm starting here, event. What is this event? Any detectable occurrence that's significance for the IT infrastructure management. Okay, so event means when you are monitoring something, so the event will occur. The events can be information. What is information? Usually a successful events are we call it as information. It shows in a blue color. Okay, it is means transaction. Successful, transaction successful, device online. Okay, like this, working properly, backup completed successfully, task done successfully, like a successful events. Okay, next one is warning. Next one is warning. So what is this warning? It is disk is about to full or full. Okay, more bandwidth. Consumption, more bandwidth consumption, more collisions, server busy. Server is busy to process the information. Okay, or slow to the process information, warning kind of stuff. Okay, next one is error or exception kind of stuff. It is like it is very happy thing. It means server is down, no doubt in that one. Okay, server down, disk failed, okay, device failure, device is offline, transaction failure, these are the errors. Again, look at here in a monitoring, guys. So any incident is occur means any detectable occurrence with significance for IT infrastructure. Any warnings, mainly any warnings or any errors occurs, mainly any event is occurs, it displays or notify to the system. Okay, so it send actually say alerts. What is the use of these alerts? Alerts are like a warnings or a generating errors or a notifications. So either alerts are either it is telling a warning, it like a disk is full or more bandwidth is server busy, your hardware utilization is more, RAM is 90% utilization, server is 80% utilization, server CPU is 80% utilization, like that. A threshold has been reached. It means so it should be maintained in a 60%, but it is reached 80%. Threshold has been reached. Or failure is occur. Server down, service down, RAM failure, disk failure, offline. This is a thing. Okay. So immediately it send an alert to the people. So then when any incident like a warning or error is occurs from the event, like a warning or error occur, alert will be generated. So usually warning or okay, so generated, so it is notified by our service desk team. Okay, it is notified by service desk team. So what they will do, they'll check it. If it is a warning or anything, so immediately they will respond. Immediately they respond or forward that information to forward this information to warnings and errors to the team, or they try to fix from their window or send a person. So what happened? So instead of spreading to further impact, you can able to fix the issues now only. Event and alert. Next one is, I'm editing here only, right? Yeah. Next one is incident. Incident means unplanned interruption. Incident means unplanned interruption. Guys, I told issue reported to the ITIL team, issue reported to the service desk by One is monitoring system. Second one is by user. The user can be a external customer, internal customer, or maybe a public customer. Okay, issue reported from the user or maybe automated system like a monitoring and alerting systems. So in both the ways, whatever the issues occur, service desk will take it, check it, and try to fix it. Otherwise, escalate the issue to the particular team. In a service desk also different levels are there, guys. Service desk does not mean only one service desk. The service desk levels are there like a level 0, 1, 2, 3. Level 0 is it is simple like a help desk type. They should have a basic understanding language. So what is they interact with the user. They don't solve any problems. Okay. L1 is interact with the user and try to do initial support. L1 is initial support. Initial support is there. This is only communicate. This is only for communicating or just like a help type. So taking a complaint. L2 is must solve the problem. Completely they will solve the problem. So very serious. Okay. So very serious problems is a L3 part. Very serious. So once L3 handle means you can't say like a problem won't be solved. L2 problem will be solved, guarantee. But L3 is very serious problem. Only L3 can able to deal kind of stuff. You know, L1 receive whenever L1 receive someone say. Okay, that's why I try to explain. So event is any detectable occurrence. Meaning is anything happens like a disk is full, transaction failure, transaction successful, backup completed. Okay, so backup completed like that. This is called as a information, warning, error, whatever it is, it's an event. Okay, when event is occurs, these alerts are generated. The alerts is sent to the service desk. Immediately, that related information should be, the ticket should be created and forward. The appropriate team will be taken care. Next terminology is incident. What is incident? It can be a complaint from the user or maybe it is generated from the monitoring system or an event system. Okay. Event system. Okay. So here it is. Service down, disk failure, internet not working. Okay. Service desk, server down, disk failure, internet not working. Okay. Service down, unable send emails, VPN connecting, like this. A lot of incidents will occur. Okay. IP not working. Okay. So Wi-Fi is not working. Connecting. So like a different type of issues are there. So which is we call it as a incident. When incident is occur, okay, when incident is occur, the service desk people create a incident ticket and give the initial support and forward the incident ticket to the technical team. The technical team go and fix it. Okay, again same thing only, which is an incident. So when incident is occur, you have to go and fix it immediately. That we call it as a workaround. That is called as a workaround. What is a workaround? It is very simple. It is go and fix it. You don't have a choice. You have to go and fix it. Next. Okay, I am not spending more time on it. Actually, I will spend more time on incidents only because, whoa, what is happening? Because it's incident is very important, guys. Anything happens, If an interruption is happened to the IT company thing, it is incident only. Problems never happens directly. Problems never happens directly. Okay. So unknown root cause of one or more incident. Meaning is an incident is repeatedly happens or okay, or to find a root cause of it. There is same thing why it is happened. Root cause to solve the problem. Okay, guys, look at here. Unknown root cause of one or more incident. Better I will remove this thing. This is slow sound. Unknown root cause of one or more incidents. Next one is what we say. Multiple incidences keep happening, so we have to fix it. So once problem is solved, okay. Once problem is solved, the instance number of incidents. I'm very good at teaching this part, but because of disturbance, the number of incidents reduce. Will leave. Okay, so change for request. It is like you have a laptop and you want to upgrade your laptop for a RAM extension or a process extension, or maybe your Windows 10 to Windows 11 upgradations. These are all comes under changes. For example, okay, I have a 50 Mbps internet. I want to update speed to 100 Mbps. This is a like a change only, but to change, dependency changes are there. To change, dependency changes are there. Okay. To change dependency changes are there. So check the dependency, report the dependency kind of stuff. Okay, that's it. Because of the delay and this thing now, so I am unable to concentrate. Guys, once again, guys, are you able to listen? Means my voice is muted or not muted? Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir, we're able to see and hear you
Just
clearly.
Yes, sir.
Finish everything. Guys, look at these are the terminologies: event, alert, incident, problem, change, service request. What is the event? Any detectable occurrence that significance for the infrastructure management. It means a disk is damaged. Okay, a disk is damaged, or maybe disk is full, or maybe transaction failure. That is called a event. Okay, when event is occur, it's based on the seriousness of event. So the alerts are will generated. So immediately you have to respond based on the alert. Okay, so that is one part. Next, from the events or alerts or from the users, incidents will reported to the service desk. What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services. Example, server down, service down, transaction failure, network failure, internet failure. Okay, all damages. Okay, like that. That's a incidents. What to do when incident is occur? So you have to fix it. The fixation we call it as a workaround. Immediately fix it to reduce the impact on further services. Next, what is the problem? Problem is unknown root cause of one or more incident. Guys, I fix the incident again and again it is coming. Okay, there is a lot of examples. Actually, I can explain with a very good examples for understanding. So this confusion and all. So then we'll do it. Again, okay. Once problem is solved, then no incidents will be occur. So it is unknown root cause of one or more incident means incident is occurring again and again. For example, I have a hard disk, means I have a system. It keep off when it is running. It is running, but suddenly it is turned off, or suddenly it is throwing a OS related error. Problem is there is a loose connection of the hard disk. Hard disk is got loose connected. Because of that loose connection, so then problem is there. So what is the problem? Issue is occurring, we fixing it. So because of loose connection, it is not connecting, right? So problem down. Okay, it is an incident. Because of loose connection, it is an incident. I went there fixing it. Now it is working. Again after some time, again issues occurs. Again after a few days, issues occur. So what happening? It is incident is keep on occurring again and again. Okay, incident is occurring again and again. So what is the point of it is I have to consider in that incident as a problem. Okay, there is no problems occurs. You have to consider the incident as problem. Incident as a problem. So unknown root causes of one or more incidents. An incident is occur. Okay, so that incident you don't find what is the root cause of it, or maybe incident is repeatedly happen. So then we have to consider that one as a problem. Problem means once problem is solved, it is a no incidents will occur or a number of incidents will be reduced. It means it is like a find a permanent solution to fix the issue or a problem. Find a permanent solution, not a temporary solutions. Just to find a permanent solution. Once problem is solved, then no incident or at least incidents will reduce. Number of incidents will reduce or no incidents will occur. Guys, to do that one, I may require a cable to fix the my problem. Maybe I need some update, some upgrade kind of stuff to solve the problem. So I need change. Change is like a upgradation, updation, modifications, replacements. These are all comes under changes. Even though changes like I have internet 50 Mbps, I want to increase up to 100 Mbps. Or I have a laptop with 4 GB RAM. I want to upgrade to my 8 GB RAM. Okay, so 4 GB RAM laptop. to 8 GB RAM. Upgrade to 8 GB RAM. Again, why it is blinking? I don't understand. It's okay. Anybody put a message? Because of okay, so 8 GB RAM to 4 GB RAM to 8 GB RAM. Okay, like this is also upgradation, or maybe a problem solving. So disk replacement, replace disk, failed disk, not normal disk, failed disk. Okay, with a new one, or failed RAM. So what it is? Either it is replacement, upgradations, updations. Okay, this thing, guys, compulsory. When you do any changes, you have to tell information to all other teams, all other departments, what changes are occur. So document everything you have done to solve the problem, an incident, or maybe understand a problem. Maybe you have any done changes, so you have to document. So that documentation is called a configuration management. So CMDB, configuration management database, CMDB, configuration management database. Because of the database, we calling this structure as a ITIL. So final conclusion of ITIL part. But one more is there, guys. SOP, that's the only one thing. Okay, standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure. Meeting completed. So meeting recorded. Start recording. OneDrive. No problem. Okay. Standard operating procedure. So what is the standard operating procedure? It means if any issue or do a work, follow a procedure. Follow a procedure is called a standard operating procedure. Next, also we can call as a troubleshooting. Also, troubleshooting steps are a methods. Troubleshooting steps are a methods. Okay, if any issues are to do any work, follow a procedure. Following a procedure. So step by step procedure. Meaning is step by step procedure. Or you do some troubleshooting, you follow some steps or a methods to do it. So what are there in the SOP? In a troubleshooting method wise, I will tell. Guys, already I told what is it? My notes. In this one, I put your notes also, that is SOP notes is there. Okay, guys, compulsory go through once. Okay. So what is SOP? Standard operating procedure. So step-by-step instruction completion by organization to help worker carry out complex routine operations. So SOP aims to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformly for performing while producing miscommunication, failure to comply with the industry regularities. So what is these things? you can understand. If you follow the step-by-step kind of stuff instructions, then very less complications you face to do your work. Okay, to do your work. So that's increases performance of your work, delivery rate, and less problems. Less problem means, you know, when you order a food, for example, so Swiggy take your order, verify order with the person who is delivery person or maybe a hotel person, and send that information, and the food will be prepared and packed and delivered. So any issues occur, delay occur, so we can call and we will get a support, or if order is cancelled, so we'll get the money. So that is completely we follow the procedure. So then because of the procedure, so maximum we won't get an issues, or a very less issues we can follow it. Otherwise what happen, I don't know this thing, you do this one thing kind of stuff will work. You know, in a industry also it is a most common in the companies. They throw something like there are, don't worry about what it is, simply they throw things onto everyone. Identify the problem. So in a troubleshooting steps, this is identify the problem. Also you can convert into your way, identify user request. Okay, it is a troubleshooting way, SOP, that is okay. It is a COMSHA troubleshooting method. Establish probable cause. Okay, establish probable cause. Test the theory. Test the theory. So what is the probable cause? Why this problem may occur, and make sure that that is the problem. It is because of something. Implement. Try to plan for a implementation. Once your implementation solution done, test whether it is working, and take a survey. Document things. That is another one. Verify the fix. Okay, make sure it is working, and do preventive actions. Okay. Do preventive measures. Document findings. The documentation is very important in this thing. Okay. Document findings. KEDB. Another concept is KEDB is a known error database. Okay. Known error database. So what is this known error database? Is if any issue occur and made a solution, right, means issues occurred, solution is done, and store all the solutions based on issues. Issues. Okay. Next time, if any issue occur, search in the database, find solution and give the solution and follow the solution. I'm telling follow the solution, but you know, people who working in a call center kind of stuff, follow or implement the solution. So that is a KEDB, known error database. Known error database means already issues are occur and there is a solutions. Okay, we store the information in the database. Next time if any issues occur, we'll take it from the database and follow or implement it. Sometimes you can suggest to the client also. Already I told there is a levels are there. See L0, L1, L2. The L1, L2, L0 people, what they will do starting L0, L1 people, if keep repeating same issue. So immediately if issue is the occurs, they'll understand the issues. They'll check relevant to information and they open in the database. This is the issue and there is a solution window is there. This is the solution. This is maybe solution. This is the solution. Okay, take a solution, implement the solution based on the current situation and fix the issues. So you need to know all the 100% knowledge of how to fix the issues. So this is KEDB, known error database. Known error database. See how fast we can able to complete. SOP, standard operating procedure, is a step-by-step procedure to do certain tasks or a complex routine operations or maybe troubleshooting methods. There is a 6 steps we have to follow in generally. Identify the issues, establish the probable cause why it is occurs, test your theory, so why it is occurring, so then you have to confirm it, and plan and implement the solutions. Plan and implement the solutions. Once it is done, verify fixing and do preventive action. Make sure that the issues should not occur again. Okay, document finding. So that is SOP. Okay, so these are the things, guys, important parts of your service operations. Okay, event, alert, incident, problem, change, service request. Why my service request is gone? Yeah, service request is asking for information. So why I'm missing this thing? Service request is again, okay, you can ask for information, advice, or change request, kind of stuff, access permissions kind of stuff. So access permissions, like a printer access, I'm requesting for printer access, okay, like that, or VPN access permissions, okay, VPN access, printer access. Okay, so login, system access, storage access, internet access, LAN access, kind of stuff. So these are all of your ITIL. That's it. Guys, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow is a Holi, so festival, do festival. Then a service desk and service desk 2 and 3 got completed, and also information is also passed, guys. So what are the topics are completed? Just study. If you have any doubts, technical doubts or common technical questions, already I shared where I put a, this is also mine. Go through mine, and okay, and also I told interview questions by Vishnu Prasad. Already I shared this link. Go to that one. So prepare for a basic technical questions, regular questions. What is LAN? What is MAN? What is IP address? What is OSL layer? What is Active Directory? What is DHCP? What is DNS? What is group policy? What is Windows 10? What are the practicals we done? What is NTFS? How to check IP address? How to check IP address, how to use the ping command, IP address, ping command. What is a BSOD? That is these are very important things in the any interview. What are this? How to check IP address? What is a MAC address? What is MAC address? Okay, ping command, troubleshooting related ping commands. Okay, so you can able to check the cable or not. If internet is not working, what to do? Internet not working, what to do? Okay, so look, you can check it. Internet is not working, what to do? Okay, so devices, different devices, OSA layers. Okay, so how to check IP address, how to check the MAC address, IP address ranges. Okay, like that. Those are all important. LAN, MAN kind of stuff. LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN. That's kind of type of networks, type of cables are important. Okay, in coming to the server side, okay, servers are okay. So what is a server? What is Active Directory? What is DNS? What is DHCP? DHCP as an IP address. Okay, so what is group policy kind of stuff? What is server? So it's important is what is a server also. What is server? Types of servers. Okay, so means you can tell like web server like that. Okay, DHCP server, DNS server. Okay, like this. What is server kind of stuff. In Windows 10, what you done in a Windows 10? So practicals you perform in a Windows 10, features of Windows 10, editions of Windows 10. Okay, those kind of stuff are important. Okay. And in ITIL, so what is ITIL? First question, what is ITIL? What are the 5 life cycles you can able to tell? Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations. Next, service operations related things. What is event? What is alert? Very important, incident. Thing is important, incident, problem, incident, volume, and change. 3 things are guaranteed, guys. Incident, problem, change. Okay, and also impact, urgency, priority. What is a urgency or a priority kind of stuff? So you give priority to certain tasks, right? So P1, P2, like a 1 means higher priority. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Some people put a P1, P2, P3, P4. Means this is the low kind of stuff. This is medium. This is high. This is very high. Okay. Like this for everything. These are the levels are there. So urgency is very urgency, not very urgency. Impact on a widely impact, low impact kind of stuff is also there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is also there. So it depends upon the things. Okay, colors also there: red color, green color, yellow color, orange color. The colors representation of urgency, follow-ups. So there. Okay, so better go once tools like a ServiceNow. Everyone, I'm talking to everyone, guys. ServiceNow, BMC, Helix, this kind of stuff. Very important, very easy to understand. I'm not talking about easy to understand. Just understand the terminologies they use it. Okay, how to create a incident. How to create an incident report. It means ticket. Check this one. How to create a incident ticket in the anything in a ServiceNow or BMC remedy. It's very useful. guys, if you are attending an interview at the time of interview, the guy is asking so many other this question, that question, what you do in your college kind of stuff. If you have this kind of knowledge, okay, sir, you can say, sir, instead of that one, I will tell about how to create a ticket in a service now. Can I explain that one? So technically be strong. Communication should be strong. Okay. So even though they're asking you so many communication questions, but also technically also you are able to give an answer. Not only an answer, guys, you have to be in demand. You know that is a expression is required in interviews. Never let some people look at you as you don't know kind of stuff. That's my point. Okay. Earlier, okay for me, but now nowadays I'm not agreeing with anyone. So I said like, yes, I know it. If you say I don't know, then it is your wish kind of stuff. Okay. That's it for that, guys. Thank you and all the best, guys, for a service desk 1 and 2, service 2 and 3. Okay. And batch 15, we have a Saturday morning class is there. Either morning and afternoon or morning. So we'll decide on a Saturday, maximum morning and afternoon class is there. Okay. Anything?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best, guys. So batch 15.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will send all the session